I'm just going to do a bunch of practice problems for sig figs because that's honestly the best way to learn. So 556. It's 3 sig figs because all three numbers are not 0. And then 616. Once again, 3 sig figs because all the numbers are not 0. So 206. 206, it's the two zeros are non-zero, or the two numbers are non-zero, and the 0 in the middle, since it's in the middle, it makes it 3 sig figs. So if the zeros are in the middle with numbers that are from 1 through 9 on each side, that makes it have 3 sig figs, and that's one of the sig fig rules. Once again, if there's non-zero numbers on the left and right, and there's zeros in the middle, that means everything's significant, making it 4 sig figs. Next is this one. Once again, 6 and 3 are non-zero. There's zeros in the middle. Everything's significant, so that makes it 5 sig figs. Okay, so now we have a decimal point. Once you have a decimal point, zeros to the right are significant, so that makes it 3 sig figs. Yeah. And then once again, if you have a decimal point, zeros to the right are significant, so it's 5 sig figs. And then 10.001, it is like you have a non-zero on each side, and then in the middle there's a bunch of zeros. So this would still be significant. So it'd be 5 sig figs over here. And then finally, if you have scientific notation, the same thing applies. Since there's a decimal point and then there's 3 numbers, zeros to the right are still significant, so it's 3 sig figs.